For a long time, creators have asked us, can Repurpose handle video stories? Why can't I just post once and have it show up everywhere? Well, now you can. Repurpose.io just launched the video stories repurposing workflow, and it lets you post once and have your story automatically show up on all three platforms: Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. No re-uploads, no copy pasting, no extra apps. Just set it and let it run. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. When you log into your Repurpose.io dashboard, simply go to Create New Workflow on the top right. Choose a workflow type, do Repurpose Future Content. Here you can choose the source for your video stories. So here you could choose Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat. For this example, I'm going to use Instagram stories for the source. Now here, instead of having the type as Reels, you want to change it to Stories. And then as the destination for this example, I'm going to send it to Snapchat Stories. And as you can see, the type already defaults to Stories, and then you can choose which profile you want. And then all you have to do is do Create Workflow. So this means that the next time you upload content to Instagram Stories, it will automatically be published to Snapchat Stories within 2 hours or less. So if you're trying to grow, stay consistent, and save time, this is a huge win. Whether you're a content creator managing 3 platforms, a brand posting product drops, a coach showing behind the scenes updates, or just someone trying to reach more people without burning out, these workflows let you keep showing up without spreading yourself thin. It's one of the features that sounds small, but it adds up fast. More consistency, more visibility, and more reach without more effort.